A handsome young gentleman is wanting a fantastic smile. His existing teeth had extensive decay, and currently there is more filling material than healthy tooth structure throughout his teeth. We are looking to make the edges of the teeth more even and achieve a consistent white smile. A smile design was performed and our patient loved it. So in this case, the teeth were prepared for crowns. All secondary decay around the old fillings were removed and 10 crowns were delivered. We can see all the old fillings throughout his teeth, the ongoing decay here, all fixed up with 10 crowns, just like that. There are some other teeth with situations to be addressed, and the gums will need ongoing therapy and review. However, we have a very happy Aussie gentleman with a fantastic smile. Fantastic! Thanks for watching. Thank you to my patient. Please like, subscribe and follow. Smile Makeover Volume 46.